barely just few hours after the Biafra government in exile declared Biafra in Helsinki, Finland, 2024. Nigerian government released over 50 wrongly detained IPOB members. They saw people on the streets, old women, men, children, pregnant women, and they packed them inside their vehicle, carried them straight to Abuja and detained them. This is how they have detained IPOB members and any other persons in the Biafra territory that they see. They carry them, keep them in prison, telling them that they are IPOB members, wrongly accusing them. So there are many indigenes that are languishing in Nigerian prison, in different prison facilities all over the world. So, but it has now become very shocking that after the Biafra government in exile declared Biafra in Finland, that the news came out that Nigeria has released 50 people. So this is now amazing. Simon Ekpa, being the leader of the Biafra, government in exile, has severally told Nigerian government to release any Biafran that they are holding in their prison facilities, or they will face the consequences in their own territory. They told them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and release every other indigenous persons that they are holding in their facilities. But since this has not happened, so we just saw the news and that 50 people was released. They didn't give the record of the things that happened. All right, this is amazing. This is amazing and is an improvement. Then you can see the declaration, which was actually stipulated to take place on 2nd of December by the Biafra Republic government in exile chief of staff. She's the one that made the declaration from the first day of the convention. It was stipulated that it will be done on the 2nd of December, but it came earlier than expected. You can see the way they are jubilating over here.
On behalf of His Excellency, the Peace Ambassador, our Prime Minister, Ekpa Simon Njaku, I, Dr. Ngozi Orobweze, the Chief of Staff of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, soon to be the United States of Biafra, and the de facto government at home, by the powers conferred on me by His Excellency, the Prime Minister, I'm going to go ahead and read his speech. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome everyone to this beautiful venue in Lahti. Thank you to the people and the government of Finland. My name is Dr. Ngozi Orobweze. I stand here on this memorable event in Lahti to welcome Biafrans and dignitaries from all over the world that are here present in Finland. Last year, we gathered in Helsinki to chart a new course for our people and fight for our freedom. This year, we are gathering again to review our progress and make definite statements about our freedom. The challenges we face are still enormous, but one thing is clear. Because our angels, Biafra Defense Forces and resistance fighters, have discharged their duties with utmost professionalism, the oppressors have realized they can't kill their way out of our quest for freedom. Their ploy to deceive the people with fake restructuring and state creation will not work. You all remember, we've been asking for restructuring for ages and Nigeria have refused. Now that our PM has risen up, they now want regional government. Not for us anymore. None of these ploys will bring back the thousands of Biafrans the Nigerian states have killed just for carrying flags or on mere suspicion of being an indigenous people of Biafra membership. Just for being an IPOB, just for being a Biafran, Nigeria murders our people in the thousands. Many families have been rendered childless, motherless, and or fatherless by the Nigeria state. Many people have had their homes and businesses burnt or destroyed by Nigeria state. Many more people have died as a result of secondary effects of the pain and suffering we have had to endure in the hands of the Nigerian state. My fellow Biafrans, as I look back over 3 years since the abduction and extraordinary rendition of our leader, Onyendumazi Nnamdi Kanu, MNK, and the severe suffering this act brought onto our people, I am saddened by the extreme cruelty the Nigerian state has unleashed on our people. We have endured a lot and stand to endure even more, underscoring our resolve to attain our inalienable God-given right to existence, freedom, pursuit of happiness, and livelihood. Biafrans are begging to leave. We are begging to leave. Not anymore. Not anymore. The Nigerian state has been anything but an impediment to all these ideals, hence our resolve to exit the enclave that has never been more urgent than now. I salute the courage of Biafrans in the homeland who have borne the brunt of Nigeria's state-sponsored cruelty, particularly those who have paid the ultimate price and their families. To the Biafrans in diaspora, I cannot thank you enough for standing up for your compatriots and being a source of hope for the defenseless people in the homeland who are victims in many respects, including loss of our collective wealth to a select privileged few who then turn around and denigrate the people as miscreants. This sorry state of the enclave is the primary inspiration for MK's fight for the freedom for our people on realization that a fix within the current enclave and its institutions is impossible. In this regard, we initiated a self-referendum voting for our people to decide whether or not they support Biafra independence from Nigeria. This voting process started on February 1st, 2024, and ran through November 28, 2024. The voting just ended, the referendum. The full results will be out in the next 2-3 weeks to the world. The participation was massive, with approximately 50 million votes cast. The results of the self-referendum will be released later in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Once again, I welcome you to the most beautiful and most hospitable city, Lahti, Finland. Thank you so much.
We are here to let the world know what is happening.
Thank you so very much. All right, we continue to conclude. Our independence is here today. On behalf of the Prime Minister, His Excellency, Eba Simon Njako Obato Obie, the Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, Now therefore, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in exile, His Excellency Eba Simon Njako, by virtue of the authority and pursuant of the issues and principles recited above, do hereby solemnly proclaim that the territory and region under the 40 confederating states of Biafra, together with her continental shelf and territorial waters, shall henceforth regain her independence and act as an independent sovereign state with the name and title of the United States of Biafra.
Only Biafra! Only Biafra! Only Biafra! We move! Yes! Yes! The land of the rising sun! The children of God! The chosen ones! Yes. We are here. Finland, we are here. Yes, sir. The zoo don't know what is coming. Yes. Yes. We move. High spirit. The zoo has fallen, finally. Finally, the zoo has fallen. They don't know what's coming, did they? Yes. Yes. It's high time. Nebo! It's high time. We move. Freedom is not given. Freedom is taken. You must understand that. Thank you so much, Finland. Please go back to your seat. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Please, can you go back to your seat, please?